I'm not here to tell you who to vote for or how to vote. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is a quick invitation for you to, before I get into the topic, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram or Facebook or Bitchute, please consider doing so. I'll have those links in the description below, and I'll make it easy for you to find me there. I do post up stuff that's not always gun related, so if you're interested in other topics, knives and cars, camping, that adventure type stuff, you might want to follow me there. I do try to post up as much stuff as possible. I'm at almost 1,000 posts on my Instagram page, so I'd like to really grow that presence. So anyway, and in here I have the IWI Zion 15. This is the AR-15 from Zion. I'll be doing a review on this guy coming up, so stay tuned for that. And now into the topic at hand. So last night I went to the campaign headquarters for a local congressperson or a local candidate who's trying to become a congressperson. And it's a very contentious race. This is for the 23rd district. It's a Texas district. And that seat's being vacated by the current person sitting in it. And now we have a lot of money and time and effort being dropped into the Democrat for this seats to try to turn it blue. And so, there's been a get out the vote campaign that's been going on for this seat, and it really, motivated me to want to get involved. Getting out the vote is just one minor way of participating in this democratic republic. And I wanted to do a little bit more than just the minimum. I wanted to go and invest some of my time. So what I did yesterday is I went to their campaign headquarters and I volunteered, and I sat down, and it was very easy. It was the first time I'd ever volunteered for a campaign before in my life. It was a very eye-opening experience. So I'm not telling you which way to vote. I think you vote your conscience. Just know that, you're on a gun channel. This is a gun channel, so I do lean a little bit more conservative than I do liberal when it comes to some of the policies that are out there. I do consider myself a constitutional conservative on constitutional issues. So if that helps you in any way. Anyway, I'm not telling you which party to vote for. This is a gun channel, so you know which way I'm voting. So with that said, I'd never volunteered for a campaign before, doing any kind of work before. So I showed up at the headquarters, and I just kind of presented myself and said, I'm here to volunteer. Can you use me? Is there anything you can do? And what they have is they have a phone app. So you use your Android or Apple phone, your iPhone, and you log into this app, and the app will do cold calling for you. You don't really have to do anything. You just, kind of wait for the phone to ring and somebody to answer, and you start talking to them and asking them how they're voting and how they feel on the issues and if they're aware of the particular candidates. So it was very eye-opening. It was fun. It was interesting. I met some really cool people. I think everybody believes in the work that they're doing. Conservatives and Democrats alike. I think everybody believes in the work they're doing. But if you're a conservative, if you believe in gun rights, if you believe in conservative principles, if you believe that this is a democratic republic and not a democracy, then and your vote is you don't feel like your vote is enough, don't be afraid to go and show up at these headquarters. I mean, these people are really interested in putting you to work, and there's a lot of easy work that can be done that makes a huge difference. Just engaging with your neighbors can have a major impact. So anyway, get out the vote. That's the minimum. I challenge anybody that watches this video to do more, and doing more means get off the couch, go down to these places and talk to these folks and see how you can help them get elected. If they align with your values, do more. Voting is the minimum, and even that seems to be too complicated for a lot of people. So be better, do more, invest more than your minimum, invest your time. That's the most precious commodity that we can offer to sacrifice for this nation and the soul of this country. So anyway, let me know how you feel about it, guys. Is this something that you do? Do you help out on campaigns regularly? Is that something that you encourage other people to do? Throw comments in the comment section and let's talk about it. If you like videos like this, this is this is one of the more controversial topics. Whenever I do politics, it seems to fire people up one way or the other. But if you like this kind of content, let me know that. Throw a comment in the comment section and tell me you support this kind of content. And if you like guns, if you like gear reviews, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. It's what really motivates me to keep making this kind of content for you guys. I don't make a lot of money, if any money, off of this, especially with YouTube cracking down on conservatism and gun rights, gun-related content. So if I do make a penny on this, that penny goes right back into making more content. So anyway, anything you can do to help, I really appreciate it. And like I said before, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and bitchute.com. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.